Country boys in a tire shop, bought it from a railroad crew. Working there with his old man, turning tires and burning brush. A burnout car in the corner, grilling lunch and drinking beer. Sleeping through the Sunday race, never done projects. Country boys in a tire shop, bought it from a railroad crew. Working there with his old man, turning tires and burning brush. A burnout car in the corner, grilling lunch and drinking beer. Sleeping through the Sunday race, never done projects. Country boys in a tire shop, bought it from a railroad crew. Working there with his old man, turning tires and burning brush. A burnout car in the corner, grilling lunch and drinking beer. Sleeping through the Sunday race, never done projects.
So you gonna drive it out in a minute?
I don't know, we'll see.
We know the transmission works. Beat that shirt. Yeah. All right, we'll be back with you shortly. But in the meantime, we checking everything off. Here we go. Stop backing up and go forward. She drives, go! Wrong way. Hey, don't pour it out. All right, everyone, younger Randy's here to the rescue. I'm finally awake. I think last thing he told you was the starter didn't work with the key, so he looked up
starter did not work.
Yep. So he did this little switch doohickey
I went from the starter
to the switch.
from the switch to the battery.
Show him it works. Keys on. And I got like approximately half an ounce of Bill Cosby in a can.
Yeah, don't do that. Damn, I burnt some more of my arm hair off. I wonder if she's got gas in the because it's pumping.
I mean, you hear your pump cut on.
I ain't got no gas in it. Way too much. She shoots fire out.
How much do you need? Just enough to flood a copper or a fuel injected motor.
Yeah. All right. You get gas pumping to it, she's gonna run. Hit the gas again. I can't stand this.
Hang on, I gotta make sure. All right, here we are, right here in the new Camaro. Video coming soon, but Dad has hot wired the starter, and we can actually get it to run for a second. Here we go. Hit it. Fire! Hey, don't pour it out. Blooper reel of the day. Did you just catch my car on fire?
That's just got a gas bottle on fire. You okay?
All right, gas.
I guess I deserve that. You do.
All right, take two. Hit it.
You okay?
All right, gas.